In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file uploads in Microsoft Forms. This is a quick walkthrough that shows you how to create a registration form, add an upload question, and control the file types and size limits respondents can submit. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is where all your existing forms and templates live. On the welcome screen, look for the option labeled Registration and click on it. If Forms shows you a list of templates after that, go ahead and choose a blank or simple registration form option to start from. If instead it opens the editor directly, just continue with the next step. Now click on the form title field at the top of the editor. Once it's active, type the form title. Volunteer Intake Documents. Take your time entering it so the text comes through clean and accurate. Next, click on the description field just below the title. In this field, you'll want to type a short instruction for your respondents. Go ahead and type, upload the documents needed for your volunteer application. This description will appear right under the form title when people open it. Now move to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. A panel will slide out with the options for how the form behaves. Under the section labeled Who can fill out this form, select the option that says Only people in my organization can respond. This restricts access so that only internal users can submit a response. Once that's set, click back on the form canvas to return to the main editor area. Now click Add New to insert a new question. A small menu will appear with question type options. Click More question types to reveal additional formats, and from that list, select Upload File, which may also be labeled File Upload depending on your version. Click the question text field for this new upload question. Type in, Upload your signed consent form. This tells respondents exactly what document you're expecting them to attach. Now open the drop-down labeled File Number Limit. From the available choices, select 2. This means each respondent can upload up to 2 files for this question. Next, open the drop-down labeled Single File Size Limit. From this list, select 10 MB. That sets the maximum size for each individual file someone can attach. Locate the required toggle on this question and turn it on. With this enabled, respondents won't be able to submit the form without uploading the required file. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now click More Settings for Question on the Upload question to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click File Type. A list of allowed file formats will show up. Select PDF first to allow document uploads. Then select Image to also allow photo formats. Leave all the other file types unselected, since you only want PDF and image files for this question. Once that's done, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Preview. This opens a preview version of your form, so you can see exactly what the respondent will see when they open it. Confirm that the Upload File button is active and clickable on the preview screen. At this point, your form is fully set up. It now has a required file upload question that accepts up to 2 PDF or image files, each up to 10 MB in size. Only people inside your organization will be able to respond and upload files, keeping submissions secure and limited to your internal users. Congratulations! You've successfully added a file upload question to your Microsoft Forms registration form. You can now share the form link with your team or organization, and respondents will be able to attach their signed consent documents directly through it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.